Hello everyone, and welcome to French Fry Trains. I don't have a lot of time to do a full train video today, as I also have a Railfan video to release. So today we're going to be doing a Transformers Generation 1 Seeker again. And we're going to be doing Transformers G1 Thrust here. And now we're on to the Conehead Seekers, which if you don't know, are a little bit more interesting builds, because they have an F-15 Strike Eagle body and engines, but all three of them have completely made up wings and engines. And Thrust here has VTOL engines built into its wings, so it's a lot more interesting than the other three F-15 repaints we've done. So this is what he looks like, and let's get right into it. So as you can see here, we've already done tutorials for Starscream, Thundercracker, and Skywarp, the straight F-15s, and now we'll do Thrust. And I'm going to build it in the sky. If you're on the ground, you want to be one block up off the ground. And this will be the front, and we're going to do a line of 7 red concrete coming back. Then behind that, we're going to do 2 polished blackstone blocks, a red concrete, 2 polished blackstone blocks. Then on the upper hitbox back here, we're going to put a line of 4 red nether brick slabs. Then we're going to come on top of the front and do a full line of red concrete across the top to this back slab. And on the very back, put 1 red nether brick slab on the top. Then we're going to come up front on bottom and put an upside down red nether brick stair facing forward, then 2 top slabs. Then we're going to put 1 slab here and a red concrete here. Then take a cut red sandstone slab out, and on this second block back from the front, put a single slab, then 4 cut red sandstone blocks, then a slab behind it. Then align with the second cut red sandstone block back. On top of the red concrete on the side, we're going to put a single polished blackstone slab, and then an upside down polished blackstone stair facing forward behind it. Behind that, we'll do a polished blackstone block, then a red concrete. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So a red concrete here, polished blackstone block, upside down polished blackstone stair, then a polished blackstone slab. Then come under here, put a dark oak trapdoor on bottom here, and a dark oak trapdoor on bottom here. Then we're going to come up behind this red concrete on this second layer and do a line of 5 polished blackstone blocks coming back. Then same thing on this side, 5 polished blackstone blocks over here. Then behind this, we're going to go to red nether brick stairs, and we're going to have it facing inward right here. And we're going to do 4 facing inward here. Then turn around and 4 facing inward on this side. Behind that, a single deep slate tile stair facing inward on either side. Then on the bottom of that stair, a deep slate tile slab here and here. And then another slab on bottom of each of those. Then we're going to do a deep slate tile stair upside down but facing outward on each side under here. Then, in front of this, still doing upside down outward facing stairs, we're going to do 1 red nether brick stair here, then a polished blackstone stair, then a red nether brick, then a purple stair. Repeat it on this side, so red nether brick, polished blackstone, red nether brick, and then a purple stair. Then in front of this, still with upside down outward facing stairs, we're going to do a line of 3 red nether brick stairs under here. Then in front of that, we're going to do 2 polished blackstone stairs. Then right here, a polished blackstone slab. Repeat on this side, so 3 red nether brick stairs, 2 polished blackstone, and a polished blackstone slab right there. Now come up here and put 2 acacia trapdoors on the top center of this cockpit. Then behind it in the middle, 3 red nether brick slabs and a mangrove trapdoor. Behind this, go 3 wide with dark oak trapdoors, and then come all the way across the top of this here. And same thing on this side, a full row of dark oak trapdoors here. Then on this back middle, we're going to do a full row of mangrove trapdoors across this. Then on top of the back here, starting at the back, we're going to do 6 red nether brick walls here, and 6 red nether brick walls on this side here. Now is where it differs from the rest of the F-15s, and we'll do the wings. So we're going to take out blackstone brick slab on this top edge on the second block forward and do 3. Then go to polished blackstone slabs, do a 2x2 right here, then 1 here. On the edge of it, we're going to put back to back upside down polished blackstone stairs, then a forward facing stair up here, a polished blackstone block here, and a slab on top. So it looks like that. Then repeat on this side. So 3 blackstone brick slabs coming out here, a 2x2 of polished blackstone slabs here, then 1 here. Then back to back upside down polished blackstone stairs on the end. Then a forward facing stair here, a polished blackstone block here with a slab on top. So our tail wings look like this. And then we'll move up and work on the main wings. So we're going to come up here, 1 block in front of these walls, do 3 blackstone brick slabs coming out to the side here. Then in front of it, 3 polished blackstone slabs. Then 1 on either side and a purple slab. Then 3 polished blackstone slabs. Then on the corner, we're going to put a blackstone brick slab here. Then 2 polished blackstone here. Then 1 polished blackstone here and a blackstone brick slab here and here. And that's the first section, and we'll repeat on this side. So right here, 3 blackstone brick slabs, 3 polished blackstone slabs in front of it, then 1 on each side and a purple slab in the middle. Then 3 polished blackstone slabs. Then up here, we're going to do this L shape, then a blackstone brick slab on all of these corners here, here, and here. So from the top, it should look like this. And then we'll move on to the edges. So take red nether brick slabs, and we're going to put 3 here, 3 behind it. In front of it, a red nether brick slab on either side and a polished blackstone in the middle. Then a decorative pot in the middle, polished blackstone slab on either side. Red nether brick slab on either side, polished blackstone in the middle. Then 3 red nether brick slabs here, 3 mangrove trapdoors on the front. Then put an iron trapdoor on all 4 of these polished blackstone slabs. Then we'll repeat here. So 3 red nether brick slabs here, 3 behind it. In front of it, a red nether brick slab on either side and a polished blackstone in the middle. Then a decorative pot in the center, polished blackstone on either side. Red nether brick on either side, polished blackstone in the middle. Then 3 red nether brick slabs, 3 mangrove trapdoors, and an iron trapdoor on all 4 of these polished blackstone slabs. So from the top, our wings should look like that now. Then on this outer edge, 1 block from the end of this, we'll put 2 blackstone brick slabs here, then an L shape of polished blackstone like that. So then repeat over here. So 2 blackstone brick slabs sticking out on the end right here, then an L shape of polished blackstone slabs like this. And so from the top, our finished wing looks like this. Then we're going to come underneath and do the landing gear. So come underneath the front on the second block back, and we need a grindstone going this way, and then a mangrove hanging sign behind it. Then take a block of coal for the back wheels on this middle red nether brick stair, and we need to come down 1 and over to the side by 1 like this. Put a stone button on the side. Move to this side, and we'll come down 1 and over 1, and a stone button on the side. Then we're going to put a birch fence gate here and here, and open 2 mangrove fence gates in the center. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Minecraft Transformers Generation 1 thrust in his jet mode with the VTOL engine wings. I hope everyone enjoyed this quick little build, and at least it's different than the other F-15 Seekers. And we still have 2 more Conehead Seekers to go here at some point in the future. And they too have F-15 bodies, but they each have their own distinct wing design. So it will be 3 different builds this time around, instead of 3 of the same like the last set. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and everyone have a great week.